Hi guys, my name is Wei. Welcome to my channel. Like this video and subscribe for more chess tutorial videos. Hi, my name is Wei, and today we're going to be playing chess. Pawns cannot go backward or horizontal. They move one forward or two forward if it's their first move of the game. They attack one space diagonally in front of them. That's why this king is in check. This is how the pawn moves when it's attacking. It cannot promote to a king because a second king would be funny. Knights move the shape of an L, one orthogonally, then one diagonally. These are the positions that the knight can get to. And now the knight is attacking the center. Okay, we cover the movements of the bishop. Bishops move diagonally. Always keep its current color. Unlike the knight, the bishops cannot jump over pieces. Rook moves orthogonally. Maybe he gets too excited about attacking the center. Now we cover the movements of the queen. She has the combined powers of a rook and a bishop. She's the most powerful piece on the board, so you don't want to lose her. The king can move one space in every direction. He can never move himself into an attacked square. Such a move that would put him in check. He must move out of check, block the check, or capture the piece, threatening check. If you can't escape check, then your opponent has checkmated you and you lose the game. But if there is no check or checkmate, you should capture the opponent's king. Stalemate is when the king is not in danger and he can't move anywhere. And the rest of his pieces can't move either. So this is a stalemate. Kings can never touch since they move the same way. Because the one that moved close, the one that moved will be in danger. I'd like to think of it as a stinky breath problem. Ew! Anyways, threefold repetition is also a draw. That is a draw. So, anyways, need to go pee. Be right back. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.